Now in 2020, we are facing a severe disaster, that is COVID-19 or coronavirus disease. It is mainly due to water or airborne disease. So water also plays a crucial role in spreading of this disease in rainy or the coming winter season. In India, most of the drinking water in public places is provided by pots. These earthen pots are used from centuries, but nowadays these are not used because due to contamination of the water by putting the hands into the pot, where we are putting our hands into the pot and contaminating the water. So by seeing this system, we came up with new solution that is called pedal water taps. These water taps can be connected to any earthen pots, and we can collect the pure water or any water which is placed in the pot. We can collect the water by pressing the pedal. We also distributing these pedal water taps at tribal areas. Up to 15 we have distributed these free of cost at some of the villages also. Last week we had distributed nearly 15 units of these pedal water taps at free of cost to various orphans or the schools. We had made extensive research up to 2016. I had launched one product that is called Blutomer. It is one of the world's smallest water bottle purification devices. We can put this purifier to any bottle, PET bottle, from cool drink PET bottles to any plastic bottle or children's zipper bottles. Just fit the bottle and drink the water. And by using this system, we have also developed another system like solar water purification system. This can be carried to any place by using the trolley wheels. So this is also one of the useful system where we can provide the purified water around 700 liters per day, or means by using sunlight. So from extensive thoughts from this solar water purification, we have made this all-terrain water purifier where we can carry this water purification device or various system on backpack. आप बैग में लगा सकते हैं और ट्रैवल कर सकते हैं, और ये भी फोल्ड भी होता है लाइक दिस सोलर पैनल्स. It can purify any water, flooded water or any muddy water also.